We'll talk about the rest of the things of the chapter auxiliary verbs. There is one exercise. Turn the following statements into questions using forms of the auxiliary verb do. I have written only answers. Did Kavita dance beautifully? Does Bina work in a large organization? Do I really find this interesting? Did they take the last flight to Mumbai? Did Gandhiji lead the Dandi March to protest against salt tax in 1930? Now, exercise C. Fill in the blanks using appropriate primary auxiliary verbs. Mention what function each performs. Only answers. Does. To make a question. Have. To make a question. Has. To make present perfect tense. Is. To make the passive. Does. To make simple present tense. Did. To make an emphatic sentence. Had. To make a conditional sentence. Was. To make past continuous tense. Have. To make a question sentence. And has. To make a question sentence. Now, modals or modal auxiliary verbs, the verb which has no five forms like a main verb and always depends upon a main verb to give its clear meaning and gives ideas like ability, possibility, etc., suggestion, permission, obligation, is known as modal helping verb. The total number of modals is 13. They are shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, used to, ought to, need, and dare. She can solve this problem. This shows present ability. She couldn't solve that problem. That shows past ability. May I use your pen for a minute? It shows request or permission. You might try solving this problem time and again. It shows either suggestion or advice. Could I meet you tomorrow? This shows request. He must have helped your friend. That is certainty. And you must come in uniform. That is necessity or obligation. Now, exercise D. From negatives and interrogatives from the following sentences, frame a short answer for each question you have formed. Only answers are given. We shall not go trekking. Shall we go trekking? Yes, we shall. Father didn't bake a delicious cake for Tipi's birthday. Did Father bake a delicious cake for Tipi's birthday? Yes, he did. The children won't be delighted. Will the children be delighted? Yes, they will. Now, storm clouds weren't gathering on the horizon. Were storm clouds gathering on the horizon? Yes, they were. Everybody mustn't stand in the queue. Must everybody stand in the queue? Yes, they must. Renu hasn't made several New Year resolutions. Has Renu made several New Year resolutions? Yes, she has. I won't send you an email. Will I send you an email? Yes, I will. You shouldn't meet Ravi. Should you meet Ravi? Yes, you should. Other auxiliary verbs with the characteristics of modals. There are some words showing the characteristics of modals are called semi-modals. Examples: be about to, be able to, be likely to, had better, have to, ought to, need to, dare, and would rather. In the following exercise E, in the following sentences, fill in the blanks with appropriate semi-modal from the box given. Only answers are given. In the first question, ought to. Second one, had better. Third one, would rather. Fourth one, be able to. Fifth one, have to. sixth one had better, seventh one was able to, and eighth one be able to. So it is over for today.